a little bit of a mucus buildup, it is going to clear your sinuses. It is a breath that is uses the abdominals as a movement, a forced movement, an active exhalation upwards, but also there's an awareness of the nostrils. But before we start the practice of Kapalbhati brings about clarity or light in the frontal region of the brain. This pranayama practice invigorates the whole of the brain and the centers responsible for the subtle insights and perception. It also is a clearing practice or cleansing practice, so it is listed as a shatkarma. Because Kapalbhati is a forced exhalation and a passive inhalation, this actually goes against our natural breathing pattern. So normally our inhalation is active and our exhalation is passive. So this also makes the brain more versatile in its thinking because it's having to breathe differently to how it's used to. On the panchaprana level, it also works in the Samana area, which is linked to the thoughts, to the mind, to the perception. So as you're using this practice, it also reduces the oscillations, the vrittis, the waves that are in the mind. So it's a wonderful practice breathing practice to do before you actually go into a meditation or another breathing practice. It also just gets the toxins going out of the lower lung areas. So before we start, here we go with the contra indications. So there are a few. The first one is, of course, it wouldn't be recommended if you're pregnant because it is a forced breathing practice. Also, those people with hernias, ulcers, stomach surgeries, then you go up to your heart. If you have hypertension, if you have heart problems or heart surgeries, all of these you would have to work with your doctor first. Then you go up higher up, you'd have epilepsy, vertigos and stroke. But the benefits of Kapalbhati, there are so many that it is actually worth it giving it a bash. So let's just run through of those as well. So it stimulates the exchange of oxygen to carbon dioxide. So it increases the concentration of oxygen in the alveoli. So it's also a warming breath. It stimulates the abdominals. It strengthens the metabolism. So it's a really good fat burner. It strengthens the kidneys, the livers, the pancreas. It increases and tones the digestive system. It calms the minds and arrests all the sensory distractions. It is also a great breath. If you find that you are falling to sleep during your meditation practice, it's great to do a bit of Kapalbhati before you start. But on the other note, I wouldn't practice Kapalbhati before I wanted to go to sleep because it is an active, a stimulating breath. So how do we practice this? So I would first suggest you sit in a comfortable position. Make sure that your spine is nice and straight. But often you find over the years, practicing, teaching people to do Kapalbhati, it's always a shoulders around the ears, a scrunched up face, and it's not. It's about a relaxed face, relaxed shoulders, the spine is nice and tall. And here you would start your first practice, bringing your hands onto your abdominals. And this is if you have never done a Kapalbhati or a dirga breath, a three-part breath. Here you will check. And then you breathe in, the belly comes out, and as you exhale, the exhalation becomes active. So it out. A breathing in. And here you can start to let the exhalation become more active and the inhalation become more passive. Exhalation and inhalation. Exhalation and inhalation. You'll notice as you exhalation, you feel the movement of prana. You notice the heat coming out the nostrils. Inhalation, you notice it moving downwards. So here we are, we're balancing apana, prana, udana. So you've got this upward movement, downward movement. Upward movement, exhalation and inhalation. And here you would stay with just that awareness of the movement up and down, the active exhalation and the passive inhalation. And you might stay with that for a while. Then you would start by doing the short, sharp exhalation. So now the inhalation is more passive, it is a lot longer, and the exhalation is a short, sharp up. So let's try this. So first, if you need to blow your nose, because you do get snot, mucus everywhere. So we'll do this. So let's have some fun. Take a breath in. So here we have inhalation, exhalation. So how we would count this, for those of you that don't know how to count, while we're breathing and thinking, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could do 10 pumps, between 7 and 10 pumps. Slow, controlled. So let's try. I'm going to do 10. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Now, if you find you become lightheaded, stop for a moment, go back and do that slower, more passive breath. Let's do another 10. Take a few deep breaths in and out. If you haven't become lightheaded, you're still good to go. Carry on some more. Now, the more that you practice this breath, the more you master it, the more oxygenated the body is going to become. You are going to be able to build up from 10 pumps, 20 to 50 pumps around. Eventually, you could build up, as you master it, 100 pumps around. Our aim is to try and move up to 10 minutes of Kapalbhati to get the optimal breath awareness, the benefits, 10 minutes. So let's just do it a little faster. Remember, this is a slow breath, not Astrika. Kapalbhati, breath in. Let's just take a few breaths in, take a few breaths out. Let's do another 10. If you find yourself becoming too nasal, it comes from here. It is just an awareness. Stop, reassess, maybe the body is just tired. From my heart to yours, enjoy the Kapalbhati practice. Namaste.